Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox the Majority Team Transport. I hope you guys saw the shots I posted somewhere, like I think 30 minutes back. So they absolutely nailed everything on that one. Let's start with this. So, so this is Honda S2000. So see, I actually bought three of this, but I don't know how many actually exist. So whatever I saw, I actually bought it. So the paint job on this, and even the transport here, the Isuzu NPR. This is actually an actual vehicle. It is not a fantasy one like Hot Wheels does. So this looks so beautiful, and we will talk more about rest of the things during the unboxing video. So this is the first one, and so this one is my personal favorite. Look at the color on this one, the Nissan Silvia S15 Spec R Aero. So I do have this. I don't know if this is the exact body kit they are using on that tune-up series as well. There is one tune-up series which came. I actually bought four of it. I missed out the R34 and Toyota Supra. Someone actually took those two alone, left all of the rest of the things. So I actually bought rest of those. So yeah. So this, look at this, how beautiful that is. My God. Majorette knows they actually leveled up. Okay, but see, I'm happy on one part when it comes to Majorette, but I'm really sad about the second thing, which is so Majorette released main lines as well, right? So in the main line, they reduce the quality. Nowadays the main lines doesn't have a headlight detailing. Like the acrylic headlights like they used to have, they just painted it out like the like Hot Wheels does. So but they improved on the paint job part. I personally don't worry about the don't care much about the the flashy paint job. I love more realistic kind of castings, like with proper acrylic headlights. And even if it is just one single like mono paint job, I really love that. I used to love the older. I still have a lot of older Majorettes which I didn't even unbox it. Okay, so this is the last one in this. So the Toyota Supra JZ80. So this Supra has came in a lot of variations right now. So I do have this in this JDM series. I bought it in a different name from Malaysia back then. So that is this. It has this comic kind of livery, the manga kind of livery. So that is the entire 5 pack. Now it is coming under the JDM name. So I will be unboxing that also soon. I kept it here only somewhere. I will be unboxing that soon. So this one with these three looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not going to unbox anything else in this week, only this. So I bought all this for MRP, which is 1199. That is actually relatively cheap compared to what Hot Wheels does, or even I don't know about my store's MRP nowadays. Because actually I started loving this kind of team transport because of my store, not because of Hot Wheels at all. So if you guys remember, I do have one here, you can see here. So the bottom one is the Maestro Team Transport. So that one actually has this. Not only that, transport along with that, it has this the car which has openable engine bay. So that has a really neat detailing on the engine bay, and it is not just painted like Matchbox does. It is a proper piece there. So that looks really beautiful, and they actually made it really cool. So right now what Majorette did in this series, they took that coolness to a whole different level, because you can see literally everything has a body kit in this one. And the detailing looks really superb on this. So yeah. Okay, so I really want to unbox this, so stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.